Hi friends, welcome to Navani Spice Magic. Today I am going to prepare a super healthy and a tasty breakfast, brown rice masala pongal. So let's check the process. For this I have taken 1 cup of brown rice. We need to soak it at least for 3 hours. Brown rice takes longer time to cook, so I have soaked it 3 hours ago. And this is split green gram. I have taken 3/4 cup. It is with skin. With skin it is more healthier than without skin. If you don't get with skin, it's okay, you can use without skin. I have dry roasted it. First you need to dry roast it, then wash it and soak it for half an hour to 1 hour. That's it. That will be enough. You need not soak this for 3 hours. And you need 2 green chilies and 1 garlic pod. This is a bigger garlic pod, so I have taken 1. If you have a smaller one, you can take 2 or 3. So let's see the next process. First we need to drain out the water from brown rice. Add this to the cooker. Now drain water from this away. Add this to cooker as well. Now I have taken 1 cup of rice and 3/4 cup of green gram. So I'll be taking around 2, 3, 4 cups of water. To this I'm adding 2 green chilies and 1 garlic pod. You cover it and cook it for around 4 to 5 whistles. For seasoning you need these items. Peppercorn. Peppercorn, it is up to your choice. If you like to eat, you can add them, but in our house we don't like to eat that, so I usually use pepper crushed instead of corns. So pepper crushed, cumin seeds, salt to taste, coriander chopped, grated ginger, desi ghee, milk, a small glass full of milk for boiling the pongal again after it is cooked. Now that this is cooked, to get the desired consistency you can add milk and water. Just check how much thickness you want and then let it cook for some time with milk. This gives a very rich taste to the pongal. At this point of time add little salt. Check for the salt how much you want. Give a mix stir. Let it be cooking. Now let's season it. Pongal has to be seasoned tempered only with ghee, then only it tastes great. So the ghee has to be little generous in this. So I am taking around 2 full teaspoons of ghee. Let it heat a little bit. Now let's add cumin seeds. Fry a little bit. Now we'll add grated ginger. The ginger also has to fry in this. Now we will add crushed pepper. The pepper you have to adjust according to your taste. It has to be a little more only, then only it tastes great. So I have taken around 1 teaspoon. Now we'll add coriander. Let it fry, saute a little bit. Now we'll add this tempering to the pongal. Now let's give it a quick stir. Now our pongal is ready. Very aromatic and very tasty pongal is ready. We can transfer it into a dish. Now our very aromatic, tasty and delicious brown rice pongal is ready. You can enjoy this with coconut chutney, ginger pickle, garlic onion goju or anything your favorite. But today I am going to serve with garlic onion goju and ginger pickle. I hope you like this video. If you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.